If you are looking for some really cool deals on Amazon, you're in luck. We have put together 5 superb deals with discounts right up to 57%. All links to the deals are in the description below. The ODISTAR Desk Vacuum Cleaner, ranked as our 5th best Amazon deal, is a powerful and portable cleaning tool. It is available for just $18, down from $24 after a 24% discount. It features a high-capacity 1,600 mAh lithium-ion battery, offering up to 400 minutes of continuous use after a 2 to 3 hour charge. With 1,000 PA suction power, it's ideal for cleaning dust, hair, and debris from desktops, keyboards, and hard-to-reach areas. Its auto power-off function ensures efficient energy use. The LcFun waterproof lighter, ranked 4th, is a durable and reliable tool perfect for outdoor adventures. It features a metal ring sealed cover and locking clasp, making it IP56 waterproof and functional in rain and wind. Priced at $8, down from $11 with a 22% discount, this flameless dual-arc lighter is powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, requiring no gas or butane. It's an essential survival gear for camping and emergencies. The S'mores Maker Tabletop, ranked 3rd, is an ideal indoor gadget for bringing the cozy fire pit vibe inside. It features a flameless heater, 4 detachable compartments for easy serving, 4 roasting forks, and a foldable base for compact storage. Previously priced at $34, it's now available for $28 after a 17% discount. Perfect for game nights, movie nights, or parties, it's a fun and stylish product for all ages. The Universal Socket Tool, ranked 2nd, is a versatile tool that automatically adjusts to grip various nuts and bolts, including metric, wing, and hex nuts. Priced at $3, down from $7, translating into a whopping 57% discount. This tool is great for both professional and home use. This universal socket fits screws and nuts ranging from 1x4 to 3x4 inches and 7mm to 19mm, with 54 strong steel pins for reliable performance. The VSL Mini Projector, ranked 1st, is incredibly compact and portable, weighing just 1.1 pounds and sides like 2 Coke cans, making it easy to take anywhere. Priced at $49, down from $79 with a 38% discount, it's an affordable gift for all ages. It supports 1080 pixels resolution with advanced LED technology for vibrant visuals and features multiple input options, including HDMI and USB for easy connectivity. That brings us to the end of this video on the coolest deals on Amazon right now. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top to get more such videos. Also, do share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below.